Let me congratulate you and all the past presidents, present and not present. I also wish you good luck. They are now seeing the real heritage. Our JCI, as far as I'm concerned, Nigeria has always existed a theory. Because when you don't have the building, I pray for all of you. You don't feel confident as a person if you have not provided a home for your family. So you can see what it means to a family and what it means to our organization. You can see what I've been committed since 1778 after leaving office. JCI shall not be eliminated in Nigeria. Amen. JCI Nigeria shall not be eliminated until this juncture. I share the joy. I thank you all the presidents and all our various leadership at all levels and all our members too who have been contributing. I say thank you very much. And Sandra, this is very thoughtful of you. Because you want me to I pray to God that I will see the end of this program. Amen. This gives me great joy. And you know what excites me most? I don't know how you succeeded having it at this location. It's beautiful. Whoever might be the idea, so we don't get mixed up with the remaining.